it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and if you know me, you know I have tons of phones, not including the one that I'm recording on right now. So I always need chargers. I've got the Apple Watch, so I need a charger for that. I've got AirPods, and when I saw this, I was like, okay, it's all in one. So we're gonna give it a try. I do have a couple others, but I always try different brands to see which one I like best. And again, this is unboxing, so I don't know if this is the one I like best, but I did think it was nice because it has a wireless speaker as well, and my other ones do not. So it is, just grabbing it out of the box, much bigger. So we will see how that goes. So it has a wireless speaker, it has a dual alarm clock, so I know that, and I threw the box away so I can't even see what else it has on it. Where did that go? Oh, I didn't. It has mood lighting. But look at this, is actually nice. This is like kind of fabric-y. And then apparently, okay, it's going to use a C charger. I'm assuming it's going to come in here. We'll see if I could find a spot for this to go in. Let's see how long the cord is, if it's long enough. Oh yeah, it's plenty long enough. So it's a C to a C. So I'm gonna already have a thing here, so I'm not even gonna need this, but we'll go C to C. So I'm gonna plug that in, and then we will plug this one in as well. And it has these feet, so I'm assuming we're golden as far as not needing a spot for that to be. And I did plug it in, but I don't see anything happening here. It says here your earphone charging station goes here. Wireless charger must be connected. FM mode, briefly press FM, then long press the bar to search for channels. Let's see, I'm going to take this off. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Very pretty. Look at that. I still don't see that it's on. So, it could be user error. I will take this out. This is what I'm going to do. We'll see if this helps. I'm going to use a power bank, because I know the power bank is full. There we go. I must not be having my charger in properly. So there we go. There's the time. We'll see if this sits flat. Oh yeah, it does. It's rather large. You guys, it's rather large, but let's see if, and there we go. It is charging. It charges flat or up. There we go. I do like that. So some of my other ones, I do have a little issue. It looks like we've got a watch charger here. Yep. That one's working there. So very nice. We've got an alarm. Okay, so we hit FM. And then this, right, is what they said. Hit FM. Oh, there we go.
In use. proud to hold. Spent nearly 3 decades in college.
Let's see, it's searching for a channel here, it looks like.
I'll shut down the city.
Diana, make the switch and save.
Okay.
There we go. Every little thunder.
Okay, I was gonna see, so you just hold that down. It doesn't give the greatest. Okay, there we go. And then you can turn it off. It also has Bluetooth, so you could play your own music. Let's see. Oh, I cannot search my own Bluetooth. That's my own fault, though. But it says here that it works with the iPhone, the Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel. It's got a bedside alarm, and you can have 2 separate alarms, it said. What else? I mean, I don't know. It'll work definitely for charging, which is really what I need it for. And I do like that it can lay flat. But then, of course, I use my watch and my charger here at the same time, so I'll probably keep it up. I guess if this is the only thing on the nightstand, it's good, because it does have the clock. It's got your charger, and your charger here. And, well, I guess I'll give it a try. We will see. Alright, what is the name of it? It is Freefish Multifunctional Wireless Charger, and it says Colser here. And it's got all of the instructions, which I probably should have read rather than just going through. So it looks like your speakers are here and here, and how to set the alarm. You can have it on 12 or 25 or 24-hour mode, and you can set the volume of your alarm as well. And then the speaker playing. So, all right. Yay, I'm going to play with this a little bit more, but I hope you like it. I'll put a link if you are searching for something. I always try and put my links from the things that I purchase or that are sometimes given to me to review. All right, beauties, you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I gotta show you this. Look at it. Is I unplugged it because I was going to move it to my bedroom, and it's still going. So apparently, as this charges, see, as it charges, it is also got its own little battery pack. So let's see if this will still charge. It doesn't look like it. So it doesn't charge without it being set up, but it does have a backup for your clock. Let's double check. Okay, well that's good to know. So it does have a radio backup in case your lights go out, or not radio, but clock. Let's see. Oh, the radio does work. So there we go. Oh my gosh, that was cool. All right, there we go. Now for reals this time. Bye.